Hey everyone, it's Margaret here at My Favorite Quilt Store, and I wanted to give you an overview of the Spring Table Runner by Sandy Gervais. It is such a beautiful line of fabric. It's called Adel In Spring by Riley Blake, and I just love this table topper. So it is three vases of flowers, and they're all pieced flowers, and there's some small piecing to it, so it makes it really very intricate and fun looking to do. It looks hard, but it's relatively easy. So first off, when you get this, it looks like a jelly jam jar, because that's what they're called, is jam table runners. It's fruit in a jar, spring, and it is completely pieced for the whole table runner. And here's the picture of it. I was going to try and open the directions so you can see the colorful directions inside on how to make this. It shows you how big the square should be, and then how to put it all together. I think I've got this upside down, but it gives you great instructions on how to get it all, put this all together. So it should be a wonderful quilt kit when it all is said and done. So let's take a look at what's inside. It's got this beautiful crosshatch looking textured weave, light fabric that is really nice and feels great. And then a full assortment of colors of prints from the line that'll be great for doing the purple, the beige, the purple and the peach, and then the green leaves in this quilt kit. Anyway, this is just a beautiful selection of fabric that all goes inside here, and I think this will really be beautiful when it's all made. So happy quilting.